I was super tired last night when I tried to ice the cake and it's failed. It failed. It's lopsided. Now I have to fix it. And I didn't even put a board at the bottom, so I have to remove it from the uh, spinning thing and try to put it in the cake board. Alright. So, itatry kong i-fix ito. Oh, I can just even leave it like that, but this is different color though. I think I'm gonna make it worse. This is different color. Ay, ay, ay. I'm not sure if I can fix this, but I'll try my best. The thing is, I use a different cocoa powder. This is the what do you call this? Organic. And organic. I never trust organic stuff. See that the color is very different. Ugh. I'll fix it as much as I can and see if it will blend in. I'm gonna cover it with flowers anyway. But yes, this doesn't look good. See, I can buy myself flowers because nobody loves me. Shit, it hurts. No, I'm just gonna put this on the cake because I suck in designing, so I'll put it with flowers. Nothing to me. Oh, cool. Okay, even designing the flower is so hard. Okay, so I don't know what to do. Okay, I finished the cake. I'm so freaking tired. It's not perfect, but okay. Do it with the flowers. Terrible. It's fine. My gosh. I can finally shower and fresh up. Woo! Perfect. I'm happy. Yay. See your family soon. I'm so tired. I'm gonna prepare now. Shower, get ready. Oh my god, I didn't even have any clothes to wear yet. Eat. Effort done. My goodness. See your family soon.